actually stressful. We face some kind of stresses that others can't. Our work is actually filled of a lot of stress. So if you do actually feel the same with me, you can just type a yes in the chat section so that I can know that if everybody else also feels the same. Because I personally feel that our work is actually very, very stressful. We have the deadlines. We have to answer the funding agencies. Then we have to submit the papers to a journal, and then we have to take care that those papers just get accepted. So I really feel that these kind of things actually put a lot of stress on our mind. So, welcome Rajalakshmi ji. Welcome Neelam ma'am. Hello, Dr. Sangeeta Sharma. Your voice is unmuted. Do you want to say something? Okay, so we'll not waste enough of the time. We'll just start the session. So, So I just want to share this thing with you that I personally feel that the work that we are doing is actually very, very stressful. We actually have to face a lot of stress that others also face. Of course, the other kinds of work, they also have their amount of stresses, but we also feel a lot enormous amount of stress. So, one of the basic things that can help us to get out of that feeling of stress is meditation, right? It helps us to calm down our mind and actually get into that state where we can feel that state of rest. That so that's why still since I have started since I've started my PhD journey. So one of the main things that I have always talked about is the role and the need of meditation in order to manage the stress. So today so Dr. Neelam cannot hear me. So kindly check your connection if there is any fault over there. Okay, so we'll come back to our stuff. So I really feel that that meditation is one of the methods by which we can tackle this stress. And for all of you guys, for all those who have done a course with me, the last course which actually happened, I have brought a bonus session for all of you, where I have called a meditation expert. He will come and he will tell us about how meditation can actually help us to cope up with the stress that we feel as a part of our our research work. So how many of you actually feel that our kind of work that we are doing, the part of research work, is actually stressful? If you feel that thing, please type a yes in the chat section so that I can know about it. Okay, so Jendra sir says yes, Mohana, yes, yes, ma'am. So actually, this is actually really, really very, very stressful. So, so without wasting any time, I would like to tell you about the expert that we have today. His name is Mr. Varun Upadhyay. He has been a part of an organization called as the Art of Living. You all might have heard about the Art of Living. They teach the courses of meditation, and one of the very profound techniques. So he will come and he will share with all of you some of the things that can actually help us to cope up with all that stress that is going on in our mind. So without wasting on any time, I would now hand over the session to Mr. Varun Upadhyay. I welcome you, Bea, and
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
very thankful that you came for this course. You came for this session. So now over to you.
Thank you, Chandan. And I hope my voice is is audible, and my video is also there.
Yes, yes, it is.
So before I start, I request everybody to switch on your videos so that I can have ऐसा लग रहा है अभी दीवार से बात कर रहे हैं. अगर सब वीडियो ऑन कर लेंगे तो we will going to have a good interaction. Please use in Hindi. हम दोनों भाषा का प्रयोग करेंगे. बीच-बीच में थोड़ा इंग्लिश थोड़ा हिंदी होता रहेगा. Okay, please switch on your videos if possible. If you are there, the connection is there, so that we will be able to interact in a much better way.
I
Okay.
request all of you to please turn
Prakash ji
on
is
your
there.
videos.
Yeah, Lakshmi ji is there on video. Okay. So, I'll start my session from the same words which Chandan said. Chandan said that we all are researchers. हम research करते हैं और research के दौरान बहुत stress होता है. If you see, आपको chat box का पता है ना यहाँ पे? I want you to write lot of things. Okay. So, चंदन ने बोला कि हम रिसर्च करते हैं और रिसर्च करने में बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है. एक प्रश्न मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. इज हिंदी इज कंफर्टेबल विद एवरीबॉडी? कैन वी गो अहेड इन हिंदी ओनली और यू नीड इंग्लिश आल्सो? Okay, so Hindi we can go in Hindi and English both. So Chandan said research में stress होता है और हम रिसर्च करते हैं. मैं सिर्फ यही I will going to keep only these two topics, these two words, research and stress. Okay, research and stress. सिर्फ इन्हीं दो शब्दों पे I will going to put my stress for next 30-35 minutes. If you see stress and research, both comes when your mind is at peace, when you have a peace and calm state of mind. I will not going to take much of your time. Say next 20-30 minutes we will going to discuss how we can do a better research, how we can do an efficient research, and efficacy of the research would be there, and at the same time stress is not there. See, if I ask you a very simple question, तुकाराम जी को म्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज. Ask you a very simple question. स्ट्रेस कहाँ होता है हमारे पूरे बॉडी में, शरीर में? स्ट्रेस कहाँ आता है? Somebody write in the chat box. Wherever there is a stress is there in the. किसी को तो लिखना पड़ेगा. स्ट्रेस कहाँ होता है? ब्रेन में. ओके, लक्ष्मी जी सेड माइंड. Rajendra Singh is saying mind में स्ट्रेस होता है. Somebody saying mind में. You are absolutely right. The stress is always there in the mind. अगर स्ट्रेस का डेफिनेशन भी आप देखोगे, what is stress? Simplest of the simplest things. What is stress? So many things to do, but so less time. कम समय में बहुत कुछ करना है तो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. अगर आप अपने जीवन को भी देखोगे ना तो क्या होता है, एक व्यक्ति को कितना कुछ करना पड़ता है. से मॉर्निंग में घर का काम, ऑफिस का काम, फैमिली इज देयर, पर्सनल लाइफ इज देयर, सोशल लाइफ इज देयर, so many things we have to manage. स्ट्रेस तो होगा ही होगा. एंड एट द सेम टाइम फॉर अ रिसर्चर, एक व्यक्ति जिसको नया नया कुछ ढूंढना है, उसके लिए तो स्ट्रेस is bit obvious, तो अगर इनोवेट कुछ करना है तो एक पॉइंट बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, and that point is, Chandan, can you start the presentation which I have sent you?
I don't have it as of now. I will get it.
Okay, so
just give me 1 minute.
Yeah, sure. So mind, अगर हम माइंड को देखते हैं, स्ट्रेस को देखते हैं, स्ट्रेस हैज ऑल द माइंड and we have to remove our stress from the mind. Sometimes लोग हमें बुलाते हैं stress management session के लिए. हम बोलते हैं stress management नहीं करना है, stress elimination has to be there. Why to manage the stress? Let us work on elimination of the stress. So how we can remove our stress is number 1 point, and how we can do a research is number 2 point. Okay, Chandan, can you ask somebody to start with that presentation if somebody has?
Priya, just 1 minute, please.
Okay, okay. And in दो शब्दों के अलावा anything else you want me to talk, please write it down in the chat box. And I can just give you a surety, a guarantee that next 20-25 minutes will give you an insight about your own mind, insight about your own research, insight about your own innovation. Okay, anything you want me to speak on? अगर आप लोग चाहते हो मुझे और किसी बात पे, impact of stress on a person, okay, that also we will going to talk. Anybody else? Anybody? ठीक है, चलो, then let's start the formal discussion.
Yeah, the slides are ready.
Okay, you just start. I need just few 3-4 slides. You don't need to go ahead the whole. Improve concentration. Yes, of course, we will going to talk about the concentration. Nupur ji is saying the concentration. Just start this.
Yes, Priya.
So mind management. This research and stress, both things will come under this topic. We call it mind management. How we can manage our mind, how we can work in a much efficient and a better way is what we need to do. Okay, Chandan, next. My question to all of you, how many of us want to be successful in life? कितने लोग यहाँ पर हैं जो जीवन में successful होना चाहते हैं? Just write yes or no in the chat box. Anybody? How many of you want to be successful? I want to. एक दो आंसर आएंगे yes. Ekta is saying yes. Anybody else? Yes, yes. Success with happiness. Okay, yes. Okay, Chandan, next. Okay, you know, in Stanford University, they did a research, they did a survey, not a research, but a survey on 10,000 people in India and in US. They did a survey on 10,000 people in India and US. Stanford University ने एक रिसर्च किया 10,000 लोगों पर, भारत में भी किया और यूएस में भी किया, और उन्होंने ये कैलकुलेट करना चाहते थे वो कि सक्सेस किन दो चीजों पे डिपेंड करती है. Now this success is not a success of an engineer, success of an IT professional, success of a manager, a scientist, a PhD student. ये सक्सेस था हर तरह के लोगों के लिए कि हर एक व्यक्ति के जीवन में स्ट्रेस किन दो चीजों पे, किन तीन चीजों पे, किन 10 चीजों पे डिपेंड करता है. You know, somebody has written peace पे डिपेंड करता है, somebody has written happiness पे डिपेंड करता है. But you know, Stanford came out with two things. लोगों ने बहुत कुछ भेजा होगा, बहुत डेटा कलेक्ट किया होगा, उन्होंने उस डेटा को दो भाग में डिवाइड कर दिया. एक भाग को उन्होंने बोला, चंदन नेक्स्ट, एक भाग को उन्होंने बोला सॉफ्ट स्किल, एक भाग को बोला डोमेन नॉलेज. और फिर अच्छा, डोमेन नॉलेज क्या होता है आपको जैसे पता ही है. व्हाट इज डोमेन नॉलेज? आपका पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. एक फिजिक्स स्टूडेंट के लिए फिजिक्स इज द डोमेन नॉलेज, एक केमिस्ट्री स्टूडेंट के लिए केमिस्ट्री इज द डोमेन नॉलेज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल is a domain knowledge. For soft skill क्या होता है? हर चीज को कैसे करना है वो आपका सॉफ्ट स्किल होता है. कि how to present yourself, how to work, how to be in team, how to be leadership, how you can, अगर बहुत सिंपल भाषा में बोले, अपने दिमाग को, माइंड को कैसे मैनेज करना है is nothing but your soft skill. और स्टैनफोर्ड ने बोला कि 87.5% of a person's success depends on soft skill, और सिर्फ 12.5% डिपेंड करता है डोमेन नॉलेज पे. ये तो स्टैनफोर्ड ने बोला, और इससे बहुत लोग सरप्राइज हुए, बहुत लोगों को आश्चर्यचकित हुआ कि अरे ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है. डोमेन नॉलेज कंट्रीब्यूट्स ओनली 12.5% and soft skill contributes 87.5%. And then move to the next slide. Yes, ये है आज के टॉपिक का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्लाइड. You know, soft skill and our yeah, good evening, somebody is writing. Soft skill and domain knowledge. ये अगर आप अपने ना ब्रेन के स्ट्रक्चर को देखोगे, इफ यू सी, आप लोग तो साइंटिस्ट ही हो, आप सब तो रिसर्च करते हो, मेरे से ज्यादा जानते हो इस चीज को, इस टॉपिक को, बट मैं थोड़ा सा टच करना चाहता हूँ ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड. कि अगर आप अपने खुद के ब्रेन को देखेंगे ना, 1.5 किलो का ब्रेन है, सिर्फ 1.5 kg फ्लोटिंग इन ए फ्लूड, एक फ्लूड है, CST बोलते हैं उसको, उसमें वो फ्लूड में ब्रेन हमारा तैरता रहता है, एंड दैट ब्रेन is doing so many things. अगर एक व्यक्ति को देखा जाए, किसी को भी देख ले, किसी को भी, आप में से किसी को भी, मे बी अनुराधा जी को भी देख ले, अनुराधा जी दिन में कम से कम sir can't understand Hindi. Okay, so if you see people are saying Hindi and English, so I'll use both. So if you see your brain, a 1.5 kg of this brain does 1 lakh activities in a single day. 1 lakh activities, maybe more than 5 lakh activities in a single day. And how this brain is doing these 1.5 lakh activities is itself a topic of research. If you see, ये brain ही एक topic of research है. अब अगर brain में भी आप देखोगे, if you see your own brain, it has two parts, left side and the right side. And here it is written, the left side of the brain is all about logic, analysis, organization, administration, math, science, knowledge, and facts. से आप लोगों के साइड में, आप लोगों के प्रोफेशन में, ऑफिस में आप क्या यूज करते हो? लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर ब्रेन. यू नीड लॉजिक्स, कि साइंस कैसे होता है ना, कि ये कैसे हुआ, हाउ, व्हाई, ऐसा क्यों, यू नीड लॉजिक. Every time your left side of the brain is always active, and right side of the brain is what? All your relationships, all your emotions, all your the science, the art, the painting, the किसी चीज को बड़े ढंग से देखना is your right side of the brain. And my dear friends, एक वर्ड यहाँ राइट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन में लिखा हुआ है, एंड दैट वर्ड इज, इफ यू सी, इमोशन के नीचे क्या लिखा है, आप अपने आप पढ़िए सब लोग. व्हाट इज देयर इन द से बिलो इमोशन? it is intuition. And you know, no research can happen without intuition. कितने लोग एग्री करते हैं मेरे से? How many of you are in agreement with me? No research can happen without intuition. What is this intuition? I will going to tell you. You know, we know 5 senses are there with everybody. We can smell, we can taste, we can watch, we can feel, we can eat. All these 5 senses are there. But there is a 6th sense with everybody, and we call that 6th sense intuition. The ability to judge, is not judge, ability to guess. That is the power of intuition. And if you see, there is a there is a big time relationship between innovation and intuition. No innovation can happen without intuition. और एक साइंटिस्ट के लिए, अगर आपको आगे बढ़ना है, कुछ नया ढूंढना है, कुछ नया करना है जीवन में, if you want to invent something, you need intuition. And you know, this intuition power gets developed when there is a balance between right side of the brain and the left side of the brain. And this right side and the left side brain ka balance we can only check, only get when the mind is at peace, when the mind is at calm, when the mind is in a state of happiness. You know, अभी हमने चंदन ने शुरू में ही research word बोला, तभी then only I have decided what I need to talk in next 30 minutes. If you see, you know, न्यूटन ने पूरा जीवन अपना रिसर्च करने में लगा दिया. बहुत सालों न्यूटन spent lot of his time for inventing new things. But you know, ग्रेविटी का खोज वो कब कर पाया? बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया, बट कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. Nothing was happening in Newton's life. ग्रेविटी केम इनटू पिक्चर जब न्यूटन शांत होकर आराम से पेड़ के नीचे बैठ गया था और एक सेब गिरा, and from that falling apple, he just suddenly realized, oh, this is nothing but a gravity. Why the apple has came down from a tree? And this happens when the mind was at peace, mind was relaxed, जब वो आराम से पेड़ के नीचे बैठा. And this intuition power gets developed when your mind is at peace, when your mind is calm, mind is relaxed. और एक example है, you know, Archimedes principle. what was the Archimedes principle? That the water, the scientists, the Archimedes went into a bathtub. He was just relaxing. When he was in the bathtub, the water came out. When he was relaxed, he then suddenly वो पूरा वो अपने रूम से बाथरूम से भागता हुआ आया, and he said, Eureka, Eureka, I found something. What he found? The Archimedes principle. The biggest of the biggest research came when the mind was at peace, when the mind was at relax, mind was at a state of calm, state of mind. And then only intuition develops. And then with every intuition, you can develop your, you can invent something. So in innovation and intuition, they go hand in hand. Okay, so अब आप लोग पूछ सकते हो हाउ आई कैन डेवलप माई इंट्यूशन, ये आप लोगों का प्रश्न होना चाहिए. आप सबका लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन इज ऑलवेज एक्टिव, but how I can develop, how I can work on my right side of the brain, how can I develop my intuition power? If you see intuition power hota kya hai, Chandan, just for a minute, can you stop this
yes.
sharing? I hope I am making sense. सबको कुछ समझ आ रहा है? Yes or no? जरा thumbs up दिखा दो जितने लोग भी वीडियो पे हैं. I hope I am making sense. Okay. So I was sharing what the balance between right side and the left side of the brain. How can I develop my intuition power? If you see, the intuition can only be developed through some of the techniques which can improve your neurons in the brain. This brain has neurons. Somebody wants to say something. Hand raise किया है किसी ने. आप chat box में ही लिख दीजिएगा. Okay. So Chandan, go back to the slides. Sorry, we'll continue with the slides only.
Yes, dear.
Yeah.
Done, dear.
Okay. So thank you. So coming back again, intuition and innovation, they go hand in hand. Move to the next slide. Next slide. Neurons. Yes, I'll talk about neurons, Dr. Neelam. Hold on here. Just be there. Whatever activity we are doing, the innovation and the intuition, everything depends on the neurons in our brain. And the Harvard Medical Science, the Boston Medical Institute, they have done a research, and they find out that the neurons in our brain will only get developed when we do few meditation techniques and Sudarshan Kriya. They have clearly written there that the brain neuron power will increase when we do few meditation techniques and Sudarshan Kriya. And if we have lot of neurons in our brain, our intuition power will be there. आप देखोगे सब लोगों में intuition होता ही होता है, intuition power होता है. आप कई बार you must have analyze कि आप किसी को फोन करने लगते हो, उसका फोन कई बार अपने आप आ जाता है, होता है ना? हाँ, कई बार आप सोचते हो अरे मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए, and that things happen. This is nothing but our own intuition power. And intuition power is there in everybody. And ये बढ़ता कैसे है? By doing some pranayam, some meditation, some yoga and Sudarshan Kriya. पहले तो हम बोलते थे, अब ये हम रिसर्च और रिसर्च पेपर्स के साथ प्रूव कर सकते हैं that the people who do research, Sudarshan Kriya, meditation and pranayam, they are happy people, they are relaxed people, they are calm people, because their mind and the brain has lot of neurons. Okay, Chandan, go back. Stop this sharing. We will again come back to this. I'm sorry for all this. Okay, so innovation से ही हमारा research होगा, ये हमने देख लिया. So we need to improve our innovation. Second, now let's come to our stress level. Stress in our mind. Now, why stress comes in our mind? Because we have to do lot of things and we have a very less time. Okay, अब mind में stress आता क्यों है? अगर आप उस चीज को देखोगे, the first point is अगर आप ध्यान से मुझे, अगर कोई बताना चाहता है माइंड का सबसे पहला काम क्या होता है, सबसे ज्यादा क्या करता है माइंड, फर्स्ट थिंग माइंड क्या करता है? एनीबडी वांट्स टू राइट डाउन the first activity of the mind, the task of the mind? Thinking. Yes, Dr. Neelam has written thinking, thinking. Yes, few more people are writing thinking. Of course, now if you see your own mind, the right side of the and the right side of the brain, which we have seen right now, the left side में देखा थिंकिंग होता है, एंड और आप लोगों को चाहिए भी लेफ्ट साइड, साइंटिस्ट हैं सब लोग, लॉजिकल ब्रेन यूनिट. नाउ इफ यू सी दिस माइंड, अगेन somebody has done a research, एक दिन में हमें 60,000 विचार आते हैं. We get 60,000 thoughts in a single day. And if I tell you, Bhavesh, go to a room, sit there and count 60,000. एक रूम में बैठ जाओ और 60,000 काउंट करना है फिंगर्स पे. Will you able to count? No, you will not be able to count 60,000 in a single day. But your mind get those 60,000 thoughts. No, see, कितना स्ट्रेस है माइंड पे. 60,000 thoughts are there in our mind. And और अगर इन थॉट्स को भी एनालिसिस करोगे, कहाँ से ये आते हैं थॉट? Can you tell me from where all these 60,000 thoughts comes? Any idea? Just write it down. From where all these 60,000 thoughts comes in a single day? Write down. लिखिए जरा. Let me see कौन लिखता है पहले. From where? From observations. Yes. From past and future. From past experiences. Okay. Anybody else? You are right. What we perceive. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. So mind, अगर आप देखोगे 60,000 thoughts, somebody has written very correctly. These 60,000 thoughts comes from past and future. Sara din, just like a pendulum. You see a pendulum, mind always oscillating between past and future. कितने लोग एग्री करते हैं? Yes or no? अभी भी आप मुझे अगर सुन भी रहे हो, सुनते सुनते भी कई लोगों का मन पास्ट में भाग जा रहा होगा, फ्यूचर में भाग जा रहा होगा. कई लोगों का मन किचन में जा रहा होगा, अरे खाना बनाना है. कई लोगों का मन जा रहा होगा, अरे 9 बजे सीरियल शुरू होना है. किसी को हो रहा होगा, अरे उसको फोन नहीं किया. द माइंड इज ऑलवेज एट टास्क. The mind is always at thoughts. 60,000 thoughts in a single day. Then कहाँ से research कर पाएंगे हम? When the mind is there, here and there. So the mind is there in the past, the mind is there in the future. But we need to bring this mind into present. मन past में जा रहा है, present future में जा रहा है, but इसको present में लेकर आना है. That is the task. We need to bring this mind back from past and future to present. And when the mind is in the present moment, then only research will happen. Then only you will be able to innovate something. And then only stress will not be there. When the mind is present moment. Now tell me, how can you bring your mind into present moment? हम अपने मन को वर्तमान में कैसे ला सकते हैं? How? I'm asking. Just tell me, how can we bring our mind into the present moment? Because अगर मन past में गया, तो anxiety. Okay, Anuradha is saying through breath. Okay, anybody else? How we can bring our mind to present moment? Because past में क्या है? Guilt है, regret है. Future में क्या है? Anxiety है. Dr. Neelam is saying long breath. Both of you are absolutely right. Because by doing 100% in data, by focusing on any object at the present, Bhavesh ji and the one written by doing most necessary thing first. हम कितना काम करेंगे? How many things we will going to do? But every time mind takes the pass to the past and future. The state of mind. We can only bring our mind into the present moment by our breath. Because breath is the only thing which is in the present moment. The one which is in the present moment can only bring the mind into present moment. Can you breathe in past? No. Can you breathe in future? No. You can only breathe in present. Yes or no? And this present moment breath can bring our mind into present moment. And when the mind is in the present moment, then only it is stress free, and then only research can happen. Then only stress will not be there. So how to use this breath for a research, for bringing our mind? You know, breath के साथ हम कुछ भी करते हैं, अगर उसको लंबा खींचते हैं, छोटा करते हैं, that is called pranayam. So by doing pranayam is again a science. Science of breath is pranayam. Science of breath is meditation. By doing pranayam and meditation, we can bring our mind into present moment. Okay, by doing pranayam and meditation, we can bring our mind into present moment. And in the I'm repeating all my words again and again because this is the only crux. Then when the mind is in the present moment, it is stress free, then only research can happen. Then only, you know, intuitive abilities will be there. When you do some meditation and pranayam, then only intuition will be there, and through that intuition you will be able to innovate in life. Intuition and innovation. Okay, now I am touching the third topic of the day. Somebody has asked about happiness. You know, किसी ने शुरू में पूछा था कि happiness के बारे में भी कुछ बात करेंगे. Who asked that? Check करना पड़ेगा वो chat में. Okay, so what about happiness? If you see, you know, अगर किसी से पूछे कि कितने लोग successful होना चाहते हैं, सब बोलेंगे हम सब successful होना चाहते हैं. And at the end of the day, हम कुछ भी कर लें, our happiness is the benchmark or the index of our happiness, of our success. Happiness से ही success calculate किया जाता है. आप कुछ भी कर लो, but at the end of the day, if you are happy, you are successful. That happiness is what we need to talk. So success depends on happiness. आप जीवन में happiness depends, happiness and success are related. So अगर आप जीवन में देखोगे, also please talk little bit about how to improve concentration. We will talk about concentration. So happiness at the end of the day depends on, बड़े ध्यान से सुनने वाली बात है, happiness depends on, can you guess happiness किस पे depend करता है? कोई guess करना चाहता है? Success depends on happiness. Happiness depends on, anybody wants to guess? It is open. You know, you will get a chocolate if you can guess it right. Satisfaction. So satisfaction will give you happiness. You know, some Ekta is written writing health. Okay, anybody else? State of the mind, achievement of vibrations. What else? You know, state of mind will give you happiness. Okay, absolutely right. The state of mind and the peace, absolutely right. You know, ये चीजें, state of the mind, success, completeness, these things will give you happiness, and you are happy. Now you are happy. When will you be able to enjoy your happiness? You know, when you are healthy. बहुत important है. You will be able to enjoy your happiness when you are healthy. You know, आपने सब कुछ कर लिया, but if you are not healthy, what will you do? Nothing. You have bought the best BMW available in the market, but आपके lower back में pain है. क्या करोगे BMW का? Driver रखना पड़ेगा drive करने के लिए. Then driver will enjoy your BMW. Okay, so success depends on happiness. Happiness depends on health. अब आपको एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट बताने वाला हूं मैं. हैप्पीनेस, हेल्थ किस पे डिपेंड करता है? कैन यू गेस? एनीबॉडी कैन गेस हेल्थ किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? व्हेन विल यू बी एबल टू एंजॉय योर हेल्थ? फूड? ओके, नो, फूड विल गिव यू हेल्थ, बट व्हेन विल यू बी एबल टू एंजॉय योर हेल्थ? Enjoy your health. Enjoy your health. Enjoy your health. You know, you will be able to enjoy your health if you have, no, yoga will give you health, but when will you be able to enjoy that health? If you have discipline. Okay, if you have energy in the body, my dear. So success depends on happiness. You will be able to enjoy your happiness when you are healthy. and you will be able to enjoy your health when you have energy in the body. बहुत important है. अगर आप healthy हो but there is no energy in the body, what will you do with that health? No. At the end of the day, person needs only and only energy to be successful. I tell you, आप 5 बजे सुबह उठते हो, you are bubbling with energy. और रात को 12 बजे भी you are bubbling with that energy, then you are successful. From where you will get that energy? Now tell me. अब ऊर्जा कहाँ से मिलेगी? अब ये बताइए. From where I will going to get that energy? Thank you. From where you will get that energy? Tell me. What are the sources of energy for this body? Can you tell me the sources of energy for this body? हमें ऊर्जा कहाँ से मिलती है? Peace of mind, absolutely right. Passion, absolutely right. Food, meditation, food, breath, meditation. What else? What else? Just write it down. Write it down. The sources of energy for this body. पूजा करने से, worship करने से, absolutely right. So let me summarize this. The sources of energy for this body, exercise, okay. Sources of energy for this body is food. Remember this. Of course, food, sleep, जो आपने लिखा वही बोल रहा हूं मैं. Food, sleep, breath, and the state of the mind. Remember these 4 things in your life. The sources of energy for this body is food, is sleep, is breath, and the state of the mind. And I'm you know, if I ask you my next question, food, sleep, breath or state of mind मुझे सबसे important कौन सा है जरा बताओ. Which one is the most important source of energy? Food, sleep, breath or the mind, the state of the mind? Let me see who do the first guess. Food, breath, state of the mind, state of the mind. Yes, come on, right. Breath, state of the mind, state of the right. Few more. बिना simple है. Without food, you can बिना भोजन के आप 10 दिन तक रह सकते हो. बिना सोए 3-4 दिन रह सकते हो. बिना सांसों के, without breath, how many days? Not even a day, not even an hour, not even 5 minutes. Breath is the most important source of energy, my dear friends. And दुर्भाग्य क्या है, you know, unfortunately, we don't give any importance to this breath. And breath is the most important source of energy for this body, mind, and everything. So successful person कौन है? अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, who is successful person? The person who is actually breathing. Who is actually breathing 100% in life. So because हमने देखा था, success depends on happiness. We will be able to enjoy our happiness when we are healthy. Health we will be able to enjoy when we have energy. और energy कहाँ से मिलेगा? Breath से. So success and breath are directly proportional. If you are breathing, you are successful. If you are breathing 100%, you are 100% successful. You know, अब AIMS यहाँ पे बोलता है, AIMS Medical Institute Delhi has published a paper that 40% of, at the age of 40, almost 70% of Indians only breathe 40%. At the age of 40, 70% of Indians breathe only 40%. Now you breathe only 40%, you have only 40% of the energy. If you know how to breathe 100%, how to use 100% lung capacity, you are 100% successful in your life. How many of you are feeling that I am talking some sense? जिन लोगों का तो वीडियो ऑन है वो thumbs up दिखा दो. Yeah, thank you. So now tell me how we can increase our lung capacity, how we can use 100% our lung capacity. At the end of the day, we are only dependent on meditation, pranayam, Sudarshan Kriya, and exercise. So we have seen intuition will only get developed by meditation. There is no other way. और कोई तरीका नहीं है intuition develop करने का. Only Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. से ही इंट्यूशन डेवलप होगा और इंट्यूशन से ही इनोवेशन होगा। इन अवर फील्ड इनोवेशन से ही हम आगे बढ़ सकेंगे। हमारा करियर डिपेंड ही करता है इनोवेशन पे, एंड इनोवेशन is dependent on intuition. Intuition depends on meditation. Energy in the body is nothing but pranayama and yoga. So happiness is nothing but pranayama and yoga. And the third was stress. The mind should be stress free. Mind should be thought, that there should not be thoughts in the mind. Mind should be in the present moment. That we can only achieve by doing again meditation. Yeah, but body gets tired due to work stress. Body gets tired due to stress because you don't have energy in the body. If you are bubbling in with a lot of energy, see, body ke liye you need energy, and energy will come from the mind. How to make mind fresh? By meditation. For mind, meditation is there. For body, yoga and pranayama is there. Okay, so can we do Chandan, हमारे पास, if you allow, can we do some practical things over here?
Yes, we are sure.
Okay, तो जो लोग बिस्तर पे, भावेश जी जरा अब आपको बिस्तर छोड़ना पड़ेगा, बैठना पड़ेगा। बैठ जाइए सब लोग अपने अपनी चेयर पे, बेड पे बैठ जाइए। सर, do you mean if we get good health? I need to open the chat box. Just give me a minute. Sir, do you mean if we get good health, we can meditate more successfully? Yes, of course, healthy person meditate in a month, but it is not directly, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि ये healthy person ही meditate कर सकता है. Anybody can meditate. How? If we do Sudarshan Kriya, if we do pranayam, if we do yoga. How to meditate, when and how, that we will going to tell you. Yeah, I'm suffering from acute what is that? Statica. Okay, then Bhavesh ji aap lete rahiye. Statica pain is there. Okay, let me see few more questions if we have. But body gets tired due to work stress. How to make mind fresh? By meditation. Absolute a bit confused. कहाँ पे confused हुए थे आप? I have to see. Okay, so come back. You know, एक बहुत सिंपल सा एक एक्सरसाइज इज मेडिटेशन रिलेटेड टू रिलीजन. मेडिटेशन आप खुद सोचो ना, मेडिटेशन कैसे करते हैं? आंख बंद करके करते हैं, सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं. टेल मी, ब्रेथ हैज अ रिलीजन? नो, breath has no religion. So how come my meditation has a religion? आंख बंद करके बैठना है, follow few instructions, that is meditation. Meditation has no religion, breath has no religion. It is natural. जैसे सूरज उगता है, धरती घूमती है, हवा चलती है, पानी बहता है, these things are there naturally. Meditation is also there naturally. Okay, तो एक बड़ा सिंपल सा प्रोसेस करते हैं. आई होप आप सबका पेट खाली होगा, भोजन नहीं किया होगा अभी. तो एक ऐसे करो, हल्की ढीली मुट्ठियां कंधों के सामने रखो, ऐसे, लाइक दिस. और अब हम क्या करेंगे? सांस भरते हुए हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे, मुट्ठी खुल जाएगी, सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे, मुट्ठी बंद. हाँ, ओके सर, वी आर ह्यूमन. यस, ऑफ कोर्स वी आर ह्यूमन. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल गोइंग टू डू दिस 20 times. सांस भरते हुए हाथ ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए हाथ नीचे, फोर्सफुली. एक बार मुझे करते हुए देख लीजिए, देन यू कैन रिपीट. सी, ये जरा 20 बार करते हैं. मैं आपको काउंट दूंगा, आप मेरे साथ साथ करिएगा. मैं बोलूंगा ब्रीथ इन 1, इन 2, इस तरह से वी विल गोइंग टू डू 20 times. So everybody sit easily, comfortably on chair or wherever you are there. Eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. मैं आंखें खुली रखूंगा आपको देखने के लिए, आप लोग आंखें बंद रखिए. Keep your eyes closed. पहले एक साधारण लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए. Take a long deep breath in first and breathe out. One more long deep breath in and breathe out. अब एक साथ मिलके करेंगे, together forcefully with lot of force and power. Breathe in 1, in in 2, in 3, in 4, करिए राहुल जी करिए, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, सांस के साथ, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. आंख बंद कर लीजिए, आराम से बैठ जाइए. आई होप आपने अच्छे से किया सब. आईज क्लोज, कीप योर आईज क्लोज, सिट इजीली, कंफर्टेबली. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Keep your eyes closed and attention on your breath. Everybody keep your eyes closed for next 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. Just let's close our eyes. And attention on the breath. Keep attention on the breath. सांसों पर ध्यान देते हैं. Let the breath be there. You आंखें बंद हैं, पूरा ध्यान सांसों पर है. Just follow the path of your breath. How the breath is coming in and out. Just follow the path of the breath. और अगर कुछ विचार आ रहे हैं, if there are a few thoughts, just let it be. Don't resist any thought. किसी भी विचार को रोकना नहीं है. Let the thought come and go. Let the thought come and go. Every incoming breath energizes the body. Outgoing breath relaxes the body. हर आती हुई सांस शरीर को ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है और जाती हुई सांस विश्राम करती है. Relaxes the mind. Just attention again on the breath. आसपास कोई आवाजें हैं तो उन पर भी ध्यान ले जाते हैं. Just accept the sound and noises around you. Now take your attention to your right foot. दाहिने पांव पर ध्यान ले जाएं. Right knee, right thigh and hip. Left knee, left thigh and hip. Genitals, abdomen, stomach. Chest. Take your mind to different parts of your body. Right shoulder, left shoulder, right hand, left hand, right hand fingers, left hand fingers. गर्दन पर ध्यान, throat, चेहरा, face, eyes, nose, ears. And now take your attention to top of your head. पूरे शरीर पर अपना ध्यान ले आते हैं। टिप ऑफ द फिंगर्स टू टॉप ऑफ द हेड, सर की चोटी से लेकर पूरे शरीर पर अपना ध्यान। एक लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए। एक और लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए, ब्रीथ आउट। नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट जस्ट बी स्टिल। अगले 1 मिनट के लिए स्थिर हो जाते हैं पत्थर की तरह। Our only attention is on our breath. हमारा पूरा ध्यान सिर्फ और सिर्फ सांसों पर है। We are just following the path of the breath. Every incoming breath energizes the body. Outgoing breath relaxes the mind. हर आती हुई सांस शरीर को ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है, हर जाती हुई सांस मन को विश्राम करती है, देती है। फिर से लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए। फिर से एक लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए। One more long deep breath in. Breathe out. धीरे धीरे शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाइए। Environment. Be aware about the environment and the body and the mind, and taking your own time, अपना समय लेते हुए धीरे धीरे जब भी आपका मन करता है, slowly and steadily you may open your eyes. अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Everybody open your eyes. Good ना, अच्छा लगा। Like last 14-15 minutes हम आंखें बंद करके थे। Write down in the chat box कैसा लगा। एक दो लोग लिखिए, how is your state of mind in just this 10 minutes के process में। Not even a process, the smallest of the activity. Great feeling, calm, okay. What else? Anybody feel good, relax? Yes. Okay. That's it. Now just see. Yeah, more. This, let me see. What are you writing? Awesome, relax. More thinking is there. Yeah. Sleepy, relaxed, feel good. Now just see. With 10-15 minutes, feeling light now. Okay, just see. Only 10 minutes we have closed our eyes. 10, 12, 15 minutes, whatever time. And we are feeling relaxed. We are feeling calm. we are feeling energized, we are feeling light. With this state of mind, if you are going to invent something, the innovation will be there. With this state of mind, the innovation will be there. You need to practice this. And you know, you people are so lucky. So the morning Chandan called me and he said कि हम कुछ ऐसे, आज या कल चंदन ने बात किया कि हम कुछ ऐसे रिसर्च साइंटिस्ट लोगों का कुछ एक सेशन कर रहे हैं, can we give them this meditation gift? So I told Chandan, you know Chandan, you are lucky that हमारा एक पूरा full fledged program हो रहा है आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का, जिसमें हम सुदर्शन क्रिया सिखाते हैं, तो सुदर्शन क्रिया विच आई टॉक्ड अबाउट लेफ्ट ब्रेन राइट ब्रेन का जो बैलेंस लेके आता है, जिसको हार्वर्ड मेडिकल साइंस ने बोला कि सुदर्शन क्रिया करने से न्यूरॉन्स बढ़ते हैं, सुदर्शन क्रिया करने से हमारा इंट्यूशन पावर बढ़ता है, और इंट्यूशन से ही तो इनोवेशन होगा। सो सेम सुदर्शन क्रिया वाला प्रोग्राम 4 तारीख से हो रहा है, 4 तारीख से 7 तारीख तक, from 4th of June to the 7th of the June. And you know the best part, the trainer who is coming to teach this program is again a scientist only. You know, he is a big man. He's in North America, right? South America. He's teaching art of living programs from last 20 years. Why I called him scientist? Because he is dealing with human mind from last 20 years. So that person is teaching this program. Timings इसके 4 timings है आप सबकी सुविधा को देखते हुए, morning 7 to 9, evening 7 to 9, 10 to 12 in midday, और 4 बजे से 6 बजे तक शाम के दौरान। You know, इस लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में ये एक सर्टिफाइड प्रोग्राम रहेगा। इस लॉकडाउन और ये सर्टिफाइड प्रोग्राम आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग की तरफ से रहेगा, which is valid in 156 countries throughout the globe. Art of Living is the biggest organization right now working on different aspects. You know, इस माइंड मैनेजमेंट के प्रोग्राम को अगर आप करते हो, आप देखोगे आपके प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, पर्सनल लाइफ में, हैप्पीनेस कोशेंट में आपके बढ़ोतरी हो जाएगी। पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बैलेंस आ जाएगा। The right side of the brain and the left side of the brain, you will find the balance. ये जीवन में ऐसे मौके बार बार नहीं मिलते हैं। आप सबके पास भी एक मौका आ रहा है। आप 4 तारीख से 7 तारीख प्रोग्राम हो रहा है। रजिस्टर फॉर दैट एंड सिट फॉर दैट प्रोग्राम। 4 दिन सिर्फ 2-2 घंटे, और ये सुदर्शन का थोड़ा सा योगा, थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम आपको सिखाया जाएगा। ये वही प्रोग्राम है जो हम स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में कराते हैं, जो हम हार्वर्ड में करवाते हैं, जो हम यूएस में कराते हैं, ईरान में कराते हैं, इराक में करवाते हैं, पाकिस्तान में करवाते हैं। एंड दिस प्रोग्राम इज एक्सेप्टेड वर्ल्ड वाइड। Lakshmi ji, we will share the detail. Yes, remember just one important thing. This is a paid program. You have to pay only 1,200 rupees. During lockdown, the cost is reduced to 1,200 because of the online mode. Otherwise, the cost is 2,500. Yes, it is a certified program. Certificate will be provided for the same. And Chandan, we will only give you 15 seats for the program. आप लोग जो भी इस प्रोग्राम के लिए रजिस्टर करोगे, आपको एड्रेस में just write online class with Chandan, so that we will block the seats accordingly. Yeah. And yes, somebody has written the link. The link for the program is you have to register at aolhappiness.com. हम आपके लिए 12 घंटे से ज्यादा वेट नहीं कर पाएंगे for the registration. Our people will going to give you a call also to tell you more about the program. You know, इस लॉकडाउन में give yourself a gift. Yes, Dr. Neelam is saying that she has done the Art of Living Sudarshan Kriya program. Yes, of course. Just write on, Dr. Neelam, how was your experience? Huh? Just 1-2 words. In this lockdown period, gift yourself this gift that you are doing Sudarshan Kriya. And you know, और ये 4 दिन का प्रोग्राम नहीं रहेगा, उसके बाद हर रोज हमारा जूम पे, ऐसे ही जूम कॉल पे रोज हमारा योगा, प्राणायाम और सुदर्शन क्रिया का सेशन होता है। आपको एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बताता हूँ। नासा साइंटिस्ट, दे डू सुदर्शन क्रिया एवरी डे। From ISRO, we have done our Art of Living programs at ISRO Ahmedabad, ISRO Bangalore session के लिए संस्था के लिए. And IISc Bangalore, we are conducting programs for NITs, IITs. We are under MOU. MOU is Memorandum of Understanding, that the students have to do Sudarshan Kriya to balance their mind, to manage their own mind. If you can manage your mind, you are done, you are sorted. You know, गुरबानी में लिखा है ना, मन जीते जग जीत. आप मन पे विजय पा सकते हो तो जीवन में विजय. This program is nothing but all about your own mind. Okay, जो लोग भी करना चाहते हैं, just have some faith that किसी ने पूछा कि Art of Living कैसे ग्रो किया. Art of Living has grown only through word of mouth. ऐसे हम बात करते गए लोग करते गए. You will be amazed to know that every year we teach approximately 2.5 million people this Art of Living program in our own country, not in the world. हमारे देश में 25 लाख लोग हर साल Art of Living का प्रोग्राम करते हैं और बेनिफिट खुद कर लेते हैं कितना सारा. So thank you so much for your help, for listening to me. Chandan, thank you for inviting me.
Thank you from our side, Via, that you gave some time to all of us.
And I hope you do this program, you do Sudarshan Kriya, Sudarshan, आज जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया ना, innovation is Sudarshan Kriya, intuition is Sudarshan Kriya, happiness is Sudarshan Kriya, and stress remove करना है तो Sudarshan Kriya. Come and learn Sudarshan Kriya. Yeah. Thank you so much, and the link is given to you. Register on the link. Okay. Oh, concentration कैसे बढ़ाना है? Just a second. Dr. Lakshmi, you know concentration क्या है? मन पास्ट में ना भागे, फ्यूचर में ना भागे, मन यहीं पे रहे. मन यहाँ पे कैसे रहेगा? जब आप प्राणायाम करोगे, जब आप अपने ब्रेथ को हैंडल कर पाओगे. Yeah, when you do meditation, concentration will be there. When you have lot of neurons in your brain, concentration will be there. How to increase the neurons? Sudarshan Kriya. You know, for आजकल आप देखोगे neuroscientist लोग भी क्या बोलते हैं? Go and do Sudarshan Kriya, because it increases the neurons in the brain, and neurons is nothing but everything for life to move on. Thank you. Concentration के लिए तो आपको 100% सुदर्शन क्रिया करना चाहिए. कॉलेजेस में, NITs में ये कंपल्सरी कर दिया गया है कि बच्चों को सुदर्शन क्रिया करवाओ ताकि उनका concentration बढ़े. Thank you, Dr. Neelam. Anything you want to ask? I can give 2-3 more minutes. अच्छा, before doing your dinner, register for the program. And program will be in both Hindi and English. Morning 7 to 9, evening 7 to 9 will be mostly Hindi English mix batches रहेंगे. Yeah. Yes, certificate will be provided, and the certificate is valid in 156 countries. Yeah. हाँ, एक ही बार पे करना है आपको, फिर उसके बाद you don't need to pay again and again for doing Art of Living program. You have to pay only once, and you can then repeat Art of Living program n number of times. Yeah. Okay. हाँ, कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो दोबारा जाके. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Bhaiya. I don't. There question, Bhaiya. In the chat section. There is a question, Bhaiya.
Yeah, please go ahead.
In the chat.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
I already paid, sir. Oh, you have paid. So come, Dr. Neelam. Contact the person and come for the.
Hello.
Yes.
Faisal sir has a question. First we'll take the Faisal sir question, and then we'll come back to Anuradha ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for this informative and fruitful session. And I have, sir, I have 3 doubts. The first one regarding at the time of breathing in and breathing out, it is in the same place, or is there any difference?
Sorry.
So at the time of doing breathe in and breathe out.
Yes.
So I'm asking, it is, I mean, in the way of breathing out, it is the same way of breathing out, or there is difference?
No, it is the same way. You have to breathe in from your nostril, breathe out from your nostril. Yeah, same way. Just
the same way, breathing out from the nose itself.
Yes. So for breathe in, breathe out, we have to only use this breath.
Okay.
Sorry,
Then the
we have to
second
use nostrils only.
Okay, then the second one regarding for the situation of the stomach, it is in the same situation, or there is some
when you breathe
different?
when you breathe in, stomach should go out. When you breathe out, stomach should go in. Okay, now you don't need to do it. अगर उल्टा है तो आपको mechanically करने की जरूरत नहीं है. With just little awareness, you will be able to correct it. When you breathe in, stomach should come out. When you breathe out, stomach should go in. Okay. If you 50% people breathe का ये गलत ही होता है. They do it opposite. So by awareness, you will be able to.
Okay, and the last one, sorry, sir. The last one, it is regarding for the sleeping disorder. Is related to stress, or is it for related or something else?
Sleep is totally dependent. Yeah. Now see, sleep is one of the source of energy. Sleep is totally dependent on the state of the mind. If mind is relaxed, peaceful and calm, the sleep will be there. And sleep will again give you a peaceful state of mind. When you do when you do pranayam, yoga and Sudarshan Kriya, you will see the sleep pattern will improve by 60 to 63%. Okay, Faisal, come for the program, do Sudarshan Kriya, learn Sudarshan Kriya, you will see your sleep pattern will improve.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, Anuradha ma'am, if you are there, you can ask your question.
Just put on the chat. Hello?
Yes, please ask your question.
Yeah, the thing is that after the meditation, I couldn't open my eyes and I had to heal the Agya Chakra. So why did this happen? In order to, because it really took time for me to open the eyes. Eyes were very heavy.
No problem, Anuradha ji. We will discuss meditation and other techniques, the chakras in detail in our programs, and we can take it on the later. आपको यहाँ पे number दिए गए हैं, उन numbers पे you can talk. We will talk about these things.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Just don't worry. Anything and everything, whatever is happening in meditation is right and correct.
Okay, all right.
The
Thank
only
you,
rule is don't judge your experience of meditation.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
Dr. Neelam wants to say something.
Yes.
जी सर वरुण सर, मैं पूछना चाह रही थी कि मैंने मेरठ में सुदर्शन क्रिया किया है मंगल पांडे नगर में. तो अगर अभी मैं इसे ज्वाइन करना चाहूँ तो मेरे को क्या करना होगा?
आप आ जाइए, आप जो नंबर दिए हैं उन पे फोन पे बात कीजिए, they will guide you.
ओके, एक्चुअली मैं 2 टाइम्स किया है, वैसे 2 टाइम्स मैंने पे किया है ना? 1 टाइम इन बरेली.
Yes. आप वो नंबर्स पे बात कीजिए, they will help you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
So, does anybody else also wants to ask a question? Please tell. So, if not, then we can end this session. Okay, so I don't think so. So I guess so that's it. I'm really thankful to you that you gave us time.
Varunji, I have a question.
Yes,
Varunji, can I ask a question?
Yes, please tell.
Varunji, like you said that we will be doing this 6 days program. So it is for 6 days, means how many hours we have to sit in one sitting?
It is not 6 days, it is 4 days program, 2 hours every day.
Thank you. My confusion. Thank you. It was a wonderful session, Varunji. Thank you for guiding us and leading into meditation. We really felt nice, and I am looking forward to do this session with my wife.
Thank you.
So I'm thankful to you, Bia, that you took out time from your schedule for this session. I hope that many would have liked this session and they would have benefited from it. And I hope to see most of you in the course. I will also be there, and I will also be doing the same course with all of you. So I hope to see most of you. And with that, I'll say my final thanks words to you, Bia. I'm really thankful that you came for this session, Bia.
Okay, thank you everybody.
Okay, Bia. Okay, so with this, we'll just end this session. I hope this would have been useful for all of you. So good night and take care, all of you, and see if you can come to this session where we will all sit and learn some of the very nice techniques of meditation. So thank you and good night to all of you. Bye bye.